Hey guys, this is We Got You Covered. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to talk to you about custom book design and self-publishing tutorials. For those who don't know me, I'm Molly, and I am a graphic designer and author. I started my business in 2016, and originally I just created book covers, like these ones. And then I escalated and started offering interior design. And then I started offering branding, website design, marketing materials, and over the years I've been doing this, I've really started to notice something. Self-publishing can be hard. I'm sure at one point or other, we've all looked like this guy. I know I have. But I can help. I have been where you are. Whether you are a new author or a seasoned one, we all face a roadblock, a hurdle that we just are really struggling to get over. But I can be your guiding hand on those technical issues that just really stump us, that we all just really struggle with. Why should you listen to me? Because I am an author too, and I am in the unique position that I have seen publishing from both sides as a designer and as an author. Any question you have faced, I have probably faced it too, either in my own experience or from one of my clients. So that's where I'm hoping I can come in. I'm hoping to offer you a channel that will show you all the things you can do as a self-published author, that will show you all the places that maybe you haven't thought to load your book, all the things that maybe you tried to do yourself and you found really confusing. I want to offer you tutorials on how to do it so you can just follow me step by step, and hopefully I can be your guiding hand through every step of the self-publishing process. I am not here to help you sell millions of books or to tell you how you can make millions of dollars. There are other people way better suited to that than me. But I am here to help with all your technical questions. So I hope you stick around. I hope you check out my videos. And most of all, I hope I can help you.